With Hotel Exec, it's your one-stop wholesale travel solution. It's been seen on Huffington and Fox News. It talks about different hotels and gives you all the things that you need to figure out how to use it for private labels, fundraising, and employee benefits. It also has incentives and certificates that you can give out to any employees or just buy for friends. Join the club. It has a Facebook. It's a member of the Chamber of Commerce, and it's located right here in the United States in Georgia, where there are a bunch of places you can go. It's discounts on cruises, travel, shopping, all that you need. It's part of the Better Business Bureau, and you can check out different places. You can show what it is. So let's click on some stuff, um, some of the facts for our members, so you can get a little idea. There's no hidden fees. Oh, it's right here. It shows you exactly how much they want to learn a little bit about you. But right now we're going to worry about some of the fun stuff we're doing here. As you can see, they're really big on making sure everybody has exactly what they need. So let's look at our shopping. Let's see what happens after this. You never pay more than what you're supposed to. Shopping includes apparel, discounts Forever 21, Best Buy, HP Store, hotels, etc., flowers, remember things. You get 40% off entire purchases at certain places. It's just a really cool thing that will really work out best. If you're looking for stuff, you can join right now and get all these things similar to what you would do for Sam's Club. You just click on things and sign up. Signing up is easy. All you need is this and just submit. So try it if you like it. Everything's in the description.